Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday the 2nd of April 2017 and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 30th of March. Gold rose in US dollar terms last week by $5 from $1,244 to $1,249, having hit a high of 1,260 and a low of 1,240. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £995. That's down £2. And in euros, it closed at 1,172 euros. That's up 20 euros on the week. Silver rose by 49 cents, from $17.77 to $18.26. having reached a high of 18.28 and a low of 17.77. In sterling terms, it closed at £14.55. That's up 30 pence for the week. And in euros, it closed at 17.14 euros. That's up 0.69 euros. The gold to silver ratio fell from 70 to 1 to 68.4 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 20,663, down 65 points on the day and up 67 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 5,911, down 2 points on the day and up 83 points on the week. Brent crude rose $2.73 to $53.53. And US light crude rose $1.82 to $50.60. The dollar index stands at 100.35. That's up 0.73 on the week. Gold last week made a concerted effort to rise above the resistance level of $1,250, but soon fell back, especially on Thursday as a stronger dollar and technical factors weighed in. Solid US economic data and hawkish commentary from Fed officials earlier in the week helped support the dollar. According to government data, the US economy grew at a rate of 2.1% in the final quarter of last year, more than was expected. The revised US gross domestic product data showed that US fourth quarter growth slowed less than previously reported, as consumer spending provided a boost that was partially offset by the largest gain in imports in 2 years. This coming week is going to be important for gold prices, as we feel it may set the trend. Our view at the moment is that gold may now weaken slightly. However, political uncertainty, and especially some of the investigations into relationships with Russia, etc., may have an impact. However, economically, we are watching very closely, as the dollar is somewhat uncertain as to which direction to move next. Traders are of the view that gold should only be bought if it exceeds the resistance level of 1260. Otherwise, they should wait until 1220 is reached before considering another purchase. The FOMC minutes will be published this week, and these too will help provide an indicator for the future direction of gold. Silver last week provided a different story. Silver markets broke higher during the week, clearing the $18 level. Ultimately, the silver markets look positive, and should prices break above the 1850 level, then it may very well target $20 in the weeks to follow. We are, however, expecting a slight pullback this week, simply because of its recent strength. And it too will be subject to some degree to any indications on interest rates. A few months ago, we stated that silver was likely to perform better than gold this year, and we have seen little to cause us to change our mind. Having said that, please forget all this bull about $50 silver this year that some of the pundits are pushing out there. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views